Morning, guys. We will make someone happy today. One of my mama is in heat, so we're gonna get Jonah to work today. Oh my God! All my babies is here. Good morning, Elsa. Good morning, Rusty. Good morning. What's up? Good morning. Mm. We will do some job today. Dai, Dajisa. Good morning, guys. How are you?
June, anak?
No, this is
Asa man ani mo pahabalon? Pagawso na nimo.
ha?
Pagawso na nimo.
Oo na. The one way to check is when they allow you to ride. Wow, okay. So she's in your peak now. Good. Oh, no. Wait. Wait for your boyfriend. Not your boyfriend. Guys, how are you today? I hope everyone is well today. I had a very busy day today. I spent like 3 hours at school for the chess training, and now I have to pay attention to my garden. Because, hey, look who found me. Look to this. The have fallen on the ground. Look. I'm sorry. I'm trying to. Ah. So I don't have a camera videographer today. Hala, this one is already broken. My goodness. What do we do with this? This is a flower as well, guys. Look. My goodness. My garden needs me. So I don't know how I can repair that without help of my brother, because I need a post for that. I see the orchids are doing nice, but they needed a new post. I see another bloom over here. My God, guys. I'm so happy. I was going to feed the dogs and I smelled this one. I forgot. I saw this one yesterday morning, and I said to myself, I'm not gonna miss it. So, my God, very beautiful. Queen of the night. First two flowers was here, and I was not able to notice it. Notice that it already bloomed that night. Very, very, very happy, guys. Already broken. It's not working anymore, guys. So I'm using my regular stick, selfie stick. I will just show you my goodness, look to this. They bloom just very, very, very lovely. Look, I love this flower. Later, I'm gonna use my app and check what kind of flower is this. So those are the rest of the orchids. They needed a new post. Here I see another orchid bloom. Ta-da! Isn't it lovely, guys? And so the Madre de Agua is really, really growing nice. Today I'm gonna harvest them too. But before that, I'll have to help my pineapple and my dragon fruit, because I think the vineyard there is broken. Again, we still have a lot of lemon over here. My goodness, look at this. Unfortunately, I'm not that much of a fan of lemon. But anyway, I made good lemonade out of it. So, my vegetable garden is waiting for the pineapple buds. I don't know when I can drive over there, but hopefully very soon. Here is the pineapple that I planted like maybe 3 weeks ago, guys. Look, they're doing fine. And of course, they need to be weeded. So I'm gonna do weeding. And the bamboo vine for the dragon fruit has given up. So I have to take away all of those because they are destroying and hurting my pineapple. So that's gonna be our job today. It's not good without stabilizer. But we'll see what we can do. I need to take this one. Uh-oh. Hold on. So we have to take away those bamboo. I think this is easy. They are hurting my pineapple. Needs to be. Very healthy. So there. I didn't do much. Aray ko. I didn't do much, guys, but I think I'm just trying to save the pineapple. So now we will do a little bit of weeding. I'll start from here. I have to use my arm again. Shit. But it's not as hard as chopping, guys. Chopping is much more. Wow, they're very, very good. They're very good, guys. Since they planted them. Look. Next year, we really have a lot of pineapples. Probably starting from March, May, June, July. Yes, this one here, the first one that I planted. This is already 1 year, almost over a year. This will be up there a lot. And they'll be there for this. Hey guys, I can't really live life, guys, without doing this. I got bored already within like 2 weeks of not being in the garden. I'm not looking. I think this is my life. You can't destroy the really base of the newly planted pineapple yet. So I'm just like really just getting the ones that's my priorities. The one that I just planted. I can see before the grass and got all the weeds. Little ones. Forever we'll be together. Nothing will us apart. They can't grow well. These are the weeds. Yeah, these are the weeds. One mama is crying. Maybe she's a bee. Or she's just being, no. Hi. Okay. There. They're like, okay mom, we can breathe now a little bit. So. Okay guys, there. I just clean a little bit. Weed a little bit, and we took away those bamboos over there that hits the pineapples, and did a little bit weeding, just a little bit. So those Madre de Agua there, I need to harvest that because they are blocking the sunshine, and we'll give them to the pigs. These are the ones that I already harvest. So we have a crate over here. I'm sorry guys, my video would be very shaky this time because my stabilizer also surrender. Maybe it's a sign that I don't have to do vlog anymore. But it's okay. So now we'll harvest those Madre de Agua over there. See those ones? Our crate over here. See how healthy they grow, guys, after the trimming. Madre de Agua is much more easier for a pig food alternative because you don't have to cook this one. Unlike the taro plant, you have to cook. You have to chop, you have to cook. This one, all you have to do is pick them and give straight to the pigs. My brother will give this one because it's not feeding time yet. If I go there now, they will scream and scream and scream. They won't stop until you feed them. So there guys, my video for today is just a little bit of everything. All the Madre de Agua that I trimmed 2 months ago, this is how they look like now. Very abundant of leaves, young leaves, very healthy. My brother can get this one later too. So, okay. Yeah. Okay, there. We have 1 crate. But we can get more. Here we are guys. Our Madre de Agua. So we will give this to the containers. Look at this. The boar and the crying mama over here. The crying mama. Wait, get down. Down. Down na. Down, buka mo din eh. Dali na. Trista na oras. Trista. Uday! Grabe si Beatriz. So there, they are enjoying with the Madre de Agua, guys. Run. Look. And the boar is enjoying. The mama is enjoying. Mama is enjoying. Everyone enjoys it. It's delicious. Especially this mama. She's the one that really get used to it. She's my first queen. And this one. Hi guys. Today, aside from fish, I'll share you my another favorite dish, which is cabbage. So we have I bought a lechon. This is a roast chicken. So I took all the bones. So this is just a leftover lechon. And then of course our just very simple basic spice, onion and garlic. I'm so happy with that. And of course the cabbage. Very simple guys. You just have to saute all of this, the onion and garlic with butter. So I always cook my vegetable with butter. And now that is ready, you just have to put your lechon. And then let it simmer. So that's what we do guys. Always, I mean, we don't throw away food over here in the Philippines. We always make out from leftovers. We always do something. We don't throw away food. So that's how I cook. And let's wait. So guys, since the chicken is already cooked, you don't want to overcook it. Otherwise, you will lost the yumminess. So it's time to put our cabbage. Tara! And, oh my god. My honey pie give up cooking, guys, so I have to do it myself. He pretended he liked my cooking even if he doesn't, so I guess that's his way of excuse. So let's stir it. Just really stir so that all the cabbage can have the touch of the butter. Then we cover it. Let it simmer. There. Okay, let us check, guys. Look. Oh my goodness. What happened to my stabilizer, guys? Is about to give up. You put ground pepper. And black pepper. And a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit, guys. Charan. And mix it. Simmer it for a few seconds. And then it will be done. And this is ready. Oh my gee. My cabbage dish is ready. Oh my god, what happened to my stabilizer? Alright. So guys, for your information, we have two types of cabbage over here. One from the best supplies from Baguio. Yes, the Baguio. The coldest place in the Philippines. That's the best supply of Baguio, but Baguio cabbage, they call it. And the one that comes from Ormoc. So far, the ones that comes from Ormoc is not the best as the ones from the Baguio, you know, from the Baguio. But it's more expensive as well, the one that's from Baguio, but it's okay. If we have a supply from Baguio, that's what I'm buying, but if not, if there's no, so we are forced to buy from Ormoc, which is available also in Ova. So that's it. Our cabbage dish is done. Thank you, guys.